Kinsa man ang bulahan ug makadawat sa korona sa kinabuhi, who are blessed and shall receive the crown of life. To God be the highest glory. James chapter 1 verse 12, it says, "Blessed is the man that endureth temptation, for when he is tried, he shall receive the crown of life, which the Lord hath promised to them that love him." This means that in order for us to receive the crown of life and be truly blessed, we need to endure every temptation and every trial that comes into our lives. We should not allow those temptations and trials to defeat us or pull us away from God. Instead, we should use those to draw closer to Him. Pray without ceasing. Keep believing. Cry out to God and let God help you. Do not stop. Do not turn away. Continue serving the Lord faithfully. Bulahan ka igsuon, kung sa tanang mga pagsulay o mga pagtintal, nagpabilin kang mapailubon. Kaysa human ka masalayan, pagadawato nimo ang korona sa kinabuhi. Munang pailob, lahutay ug antos gid taani igsuon, kay ang ganti mas labi pang dako kaysa sa mga pagtintal o mga pagsulay nga atong maagian o naagian. Ayaw undang, abante igsuon. Dalay ko ng bugtong buhay nga Dios na mao si Ginoong Hesukristo.